knows when you come back.
It's not my fault. You know, no, it's just because of my work.
Hey,
I travel a lot. I travel over the country.
I know that, but this one you always leave me alone.
No, this one I'm not.
For
See,
weeks, days, months.
no, I'm not even going abroad this time. It's just Abuja here I'm going to. And I'll just be away for 2 weeks. Not the other 1 month or 2 months.
Let your 2 weeks not turn to.
No, it's just 2 weeks.
All right.
Let me hurry so I can catch my flight.
No
Hey,
problem.
there's a minute.
All right, take care. Oh, yeah.
Now, ordinary 2 days.
This man!
You have me to yourself for 2 good weeks.
Are you sure?
Just prepare yourself because I will use enjoyment to finish you.
Oh,
Wait, wait, let us let her
I told you, but I don't want you to disappoint me this time.
Don't worry, I'm prepared. Just wait. Waitress, please bring the drink. Today, what I will do to you. Good. Do you people have pepper soup?
Yeah.
You have it. You have goat meat. You have it here. You have nkwabi.
You have chicken.
You have chicken. Pack all of them, even shawarma. Prepare all of them and bring it. I will use enjoyment to finish you. Me, businessman like this. See? If
Is that your wife?
who?
See your wife now. She's not the one.
That's my wife. Who? And I told her I'm traveling, that I'm going to Abuja.
Serious?
See, what will happen is just go home.
He's going to pay for
I will pay.
Thank God that fool has traveled to Abuja.
Don't be too harsh
That
on
is
me.
a goat. Hey! Don't behave like that compound fool.
Don't you know me now? By the time I start with you,
everywhere will be
everything,
fresh,
I will even choke my head.
We are not a family.
You know
I'll finish with
you
it.
know you'll be going for like 2 weeks. Why don't you just pack your load? Let's stay in my place for 2 weeks.
Can you stand it?
You have everywhere.
Can you stand it?
Why not?
You know I last like lion.
Okay, come.
Okay.
Let me give me.
Dip, let's do the report.
Isaka.
You're in Abuja now.
Because I said I'm traveling, you thought it was true.
What is this?
70 years old man.
This is what you do
We
when
must learn a lesson. This man! You dey go this place.
want to follow my wife and go to
Now even road to go to cannot take. You want to please others and displease yourself.
You know what the foundation.
And they never leave.
Don't let me get to the house before you.
Always cut my coat according to my size.
You are leaving
I
now.
know they promise anything where my power.
Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Abari.com. You are welcome back to School 2 Comedy. We sincerely apologize. I'm so sorry we have been away for a very long time due to some circumstances beyond our vocabulary apparatus. But right now, ladies and gentlemen, we are back, fully back. Watch out for our videos, share our videos, invite your friends. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and our Facebook channel. God bless you. We are back. School 2 Comedy is back. Let's go.